Hello students, I welcome you all my YouTube channel and today we are going to discuss articles. Chapter number 19 from your grammar book. So let's begin. You know what is article? An article is a type of adjective. Just keep in your mind what is article? Article is a type of adjective that describes a specific or unspecific noun or noun equivalents. And you know in English there are three articles: a, an, and the. There are three articles, all right? So, a and an refers to the noun modified is indefinite, right? What do we call a and an? We call them indefinite article. Why do we call them indefinite? For example, if you are saying that my daughter really wants a dog, it means she wants a dog of any type of breed, any color, any. She is not asking any particular dog. She is asking only a dog. For example, if you are asking for a pen, it means any pen. It may be blue, it may be black, it may be gel, it may be dot. Any kind of pen you are asking. You are not indicating specifically. Na, I want that pen by which you are writing. So you are not asking any specific pen. You are just asking, give me a pen, and she can give any pen to you because you are not asking any particular pen. Like if you are saying that give me black pen, means you are here particular, na, that you are asking for black dot pen, black gel pen. But here what are you saying? You are saying that I want a pen. So that's why we call a pen, because you are using a, na. So we call this kind of article as indefinite article. All right. And yes, what is definite article? Definite article is the word that is the. Alright, and it is used before a noun to define it as something specific. For example, the dog that bit me ran away. It means you are talking about that dog which had bitten, na? Which had bitten you. That's why you are talking that particular dog only. How to use a and, right? It's very important that you must be aware when to use a and when to use an. For example, use before words beginning with a consonant sound, right? When you have to use a, you have to use a sound before consonant sound. For example, man, ma sound is coming na, and ma sound is a consonant sound, right? So what we had written here, a man, lamp, la sound is there, and we all know that la is not a vowel sound, it's consonant sound. That's why we will use there a cat, k, k, k is again, it's a consonant sound. That's why we had written here a. But when to use an? Before, use before words that begin with a vowel sound. Vowel sound means not only A-E-I-O-U, right? We have all read that we have to use and before a and A-I-O-U. No, you have to use with the sound of vowel sound. I think you all are very well aware Hindi sounds, that is swar and vyanjan. Here I am talking about the swar, all right? That is known as vowel sound. E. When any word is starting with that, then we have to use there. And for example, apple, a sound is there, na? That's why we had used here an. Eraser, e sound is there, na? That's why we had used here an. Umbrella, sound is again here. That's why we had used here an. All right, I think it's clear to all of you when to use a and when to use an. Yes, moving to the next one. Now it's your turn. Yes, student, now your turn. What you have to just find out what do we apply there, a or an. So let's begin. You all have to reply in chat box only. The first word is app. A sound is coming. Now just tell me in chat box what will we use, a or an. All right, so just start typing. I'm waiting. And the next one, desk. D sound is coming. Now you have to tell what will we use, a or an. So use your mind and reply in chat box. Alien, a sound is again coming. So what will we use here? And the next is hawk. h sound is coming. And yes, you have to again tell me which article will we use here, a or an. So just start doing, reply in chat box. I'm waiting your answer. Now student, here we have to do some exercise. Alright, so just see carefully and listen to me. We also say a unicorn, a useful thing, and a 1 rupee coin because these words have consonant sound. Yeah, what we have learned earlier, teachers always told us that with A, I, E, O, U, right? We use A, we use an. But here you all can see U is there, but we had used here a. Do you know why? Can you tell me, students? And okay, let me tell you, because here unicorn, yeah sound is there na. So you have to tell me yeah is consonant or yeah is a vowel. According to Hindi sound आपको बताना है कि या vowel sound है या फिर या व्यंजन sound है. So student, you all know that yeah is a व्यंजन sound. All right, it's a consonant sound. That's why we had used there a. Alright, useful, again ya sound is coming na. That's why we had used here a. And a one, you know, you all know that it's starting with o. Then you always say ma'am यहाँ पे तो हम an use करेंगे because it's starting with o na. But what's the pronunciation of O-N-E? We call it one. V sound is coming. V. So you all know that according to Hindi alphabets, V is a consonant sound. That's why what will we use with 1 rupee? 1. V sound is coming. That's why we will use a article there. Alright? I think it's clear to all of you. So yes, student, you all have to solve this. I will ask and you have to reply. So the next word, so the first word is there. You have to put a or an before these words. Alright. So the first word is ring. So what will we use? R sound is coming now. And we all know that R is a consonant sound. So what will we use, student? Just tell me. Yes, exactly. We will use there a. The next one is friend. Here na, friend is written. First sound is coming. And again you all know that according to Hindi alphabet, F is a consonant sound. That's why we will use here a. Alright. Expensive. Yeah, what's the pronunciation? It's expensive na. Expensive. A sound is coming, and according to Hindi alphabet, it's a vowel sound. So what will we use there? An. Bucket. B sound is coming. That's why we will use here a. Egg. A sound is coming, and according to alphabet, Hindi alphabets, we all know that a is a vowel sound. All right. Yes, so we all know that it's a vowel sound now. So what will we do here? We will use here an. Empty bucket na, again a sound is coming. Empty, a. So what will we use here? We will use here an. And this one is golden egg. G sound is coming. So what will we do? We will use here a. Vulture, V sound is coming now. And according to Hindi alphabet, V is a consonant sound. So what will we use? Obviously a. Na? Easy question. E. Again easy. E sound is coming now. So which article we will use here? We will use here an. Rose flower. Ra sound is coming. So what will we use? Which article we will use here? A. Tough. Ta sound is coming. So what will we use? We will use here a. Orchid stick. Orchid. No? A sound is coming. That's why we will use here an. The next is hammer. H sound is coming, and we all know that according to Hindi alphabet, H is consonant sound. So we will use here a. 1 rupee, again the same question, V sound is coming, so we will use here a. Blazer, B sound is coming, we will use here a. Armchair, again a sound is coming now. So what will we use here? We will use here an. Alright, so I'm moving to the next. Yes, fill in the blanks with a or an. You all can see that some sentences had been given here in this slide, and you have to use a or an article which you think that it is appropriate here. So let's begin. The first one is parasol is quite like a umbrella. Alright, so what is parasol? I think you all had seen, you all had visit any sea area, beach area, then you all had seen that ना जो वहाँ पे जहाँ पे आपका खाने पीने का वो होता है, तो खाने पीने का जहाँ पे आपका सेटअप होता है, तो आपने देखा होगा एक अम्ब्रेला जैसा होता है ना, जो आपको वो मतलब शेड प्रोवाइड करता है. दैट इज़ नोन एज पैरासोल. सो द क्वेश्चन इज पैरासोल इज क्वाइट लाइक अ अम्ब्रेला. सो व्हाट विल वी यूज हियर? वी विल यूज हियर अ, because pa sound is coming na, that's why umbrella. A sound is coming, that's why we will use here an. The next is question number 2. Muskan has pet, right? Pet, pa sound is coming, so what will we use? A. Pet dog Google. She bought, a sound is coming now, so we will use here an. And made omelette. Alright, a sound is coming, so an. Alright. The next is I brought, pa sound is coming, a pair of socks. Alright, b sound is coming, so what will we use? A. Alright, I think it's easy, very easy, you all can do. He saw a one-eyed man selling handicrafts item to American. Na, a sound is coming, so an American tourist. The next is elegant. Na, a sound is coming, so what will we use? An. The next is she is army. Alright, a sound is coming, an army officer. Her sister is an astronaut. ये an आपका नीचे आ गया, let me keep it there ना. Her sister is an astronaut. The next is unicorn. Again ya sound is coming, so we will use here a. Oh, let me correct na, it's wrong, it's only a. It's a, it's a typing mistake na. A, exactly. Why? Because ya sound is coming na, unicorn, ya sound is coming, that's why we will use here a. A unicorn is an imaginary. Now what will we use here? An imaginary creature. Shrek was Augie. Augie means it's a kind of monster, right? So a sound is coming, we will use here an. And he had, ka sound is coming, that's why we will use here a kind nature. I need a. No, ba sound is coming, blue. That's why we will use here blue sketch pen. Please give me yours. French is e sound is coming. That's why it's an vowel sound, and we will use here an. I think it's clear to all of you. Now moving to the next one. Yes, the article the in geographical names, where you have to use article the. First of all, directions. The north, the south, the east, and the west. Unions of countries, states. The United States of America, the United Kingdom. Alright, group of islands. The Philippines, the Caribbean, the Canaries, etc. Before the name of seas. The Mediterranean, the Black, the Red, the Nile, etc. Gulfs. The Gulf Stream, the Persian Gulf, the Finland Gulf, etc. Group of lakes. The Green Lakes, the Shat Lakes, the Vianney Lakes, etc. Rivers. The Danube, the Dnipro, the Amazon, etc. Canals and channels. The English Channel, the Panama Canal, and the Suez Canal, etc. Alright, the name of canals and the name of channels. The next is poles. The North Pole and the South Pole. Republics. The Czech Republic, the Republic of Cuba, the Congo, etc. Polar regions. The Arctic, the Antarctic, etc. Groups of mountains. The Rocky Mountains, the Caucasus, the Capri Palatinate, etc. The next one is oceans. The Pacific, the Indian, the Atlantic, right? And the Arctic, etc. Regions of countries. The American, Midwest, the Mekong Delta, and the desert, the Sahara, the Gobi, the Karakara, etc. Alright. So before these words we use the, and we all know that the is an definite article. Alright. Yes, We use the when we mention something again. For example, if I'm saying, for example, I'm saying that any of the student, for any of the girl, any of the student, for example, I can say that Radhika is a good girl. All right, the Radhika is a good girl. The girl had given me a pen. All right. So here the means that girl, na, Radhika. Firstly, I mentioned her Radhika, and I'm talking about further about Radhika. That's why we use the to indicate that particular person. And examples: he has a parrot. All right. Firstly, he had mentioned about parrot, and then he is relating the parrot. That's why he using again the parrot, means he has a parrot, and he is talking about that parrot only. The parrot can sing bhajans. All right. I ate an apple. The apple means the apple which I had eaten, that is very crunchy. All right. We use the before names of rivers, seas, ocean, mountain, ranges. We had already discussed in previous slide. Holy book, famous building, heavenly bodies, superlative degree, etc. The Nile, the Nile flows through Egypt. All right, the Nile. All right. The Sahara is a desert. We all know that Nile is the name of a river and it flows in Egypt. And Sahara is a kind of desert, and we have already learned that before the name of the desert, before the name of the rivers, before the name of the seas, oceans, mountain, we use the. The Statue of Liberty is in New York. The Earth is a planet. Yes, before the name of the planet, we use the. He is the tallest boy in our class, and before superlative degree, tall, taller, tallest. Now we have already learned degrees, about degrees. Though the first one is for tall, the comparative degree is taller, and the superlative degree is tallest. And before superlative degree, which article we use? We use the. All right. Yes. Now what you have to do, you have to fill the appropriate article in the given sentence. Let's begin. I have bought dash a new pair of jeans. So what will we use? We knew that before the pair, what will we use? A sound. All right. Have you bought dash pair of jeans that I brought for you? Here now the person is relating that pair of jeans that is he had bought earlier, right? So he is relating now. So what will we use here? We will use here the. I have to make a phone call. Simple. Give me a phone. And the next one is, there is new student in my class. So it's a new student. So what will we use here? A sound. Please switch off fan. Means the fan which is moving, the particular fan which is moving, and you have to switch off that fan. So which article we will use? It's a definite article. We will use here the. All right. The Times of India, we know that it's a famous newspaper, and before the newspaper we use the also. The Times of India is a popular newspaper. All right. Engineer designs bridges and roads. So here a sound, it's E sound is coming, na, engineer. A sound is coming, engineer. So what will we use? An. All right. It's an un, you. We all know that it's a vowel sound, but pronunciation matter, as we had learned earlier that unicorn, na, unicorn is also started with u, but you know that u is a vowel sound, but which sound is coming according to Hindi alphabet? That is ya, na, unicorn, ya. So we all know that ya is not a vowel sound according to Hindi alphabet. That's why we use there a. But here untidy, na. So which sound is coming? Untidy. A sound is coming, and we all know that if a sound is coming, so what will we use here? We will use there an. All right. So here the next one is sentence number 10. Flock of sheep was grazing in the field. Here a flock of sheep. All right. A flock of sheep was grazing in the field. I read a story. All right, a story about unicorn. Na? Again, year sound is coming. Year, unicorn. So we will use here a only. All right, and unicorn. Year sound is coming. That's why we will use here a. An augury. We all know that ogre is a kind of monster, and we will use here an. And a fairy, now first sound is coming, and a fairy, and now it's relating that the story means which story which I had read about a unicorn, about an ogre, and about a fairy, that story was awesome. That's why we had used here the, because it's relating, na? That's why we will use here a definite article, that is the. The next is yes, we generally do not use the with proper nouns. For example, the Shivani, we never say the Manvik, the Abhik, the any of the student, we didn't say, na? What we say? We say only name, na? We just call the name like Siddharth, Siddhant, Shivam. We just call the name, right? So here we didn't say the Delhi. It's wrong. If you are saying the Kapil Dev, the Virat Kohli, then it's wrong, right? We didn't use the before the proper nouns. We generally do not use the with the uncountable nouns, alright? The water, no. We just say water, gold. The next is fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Put X where articles are not required, means where you do not have to use articles. What you have to do, you have to just make a cross. And we had already learned there are few things before that. We have not to use any kind of article, that is proper noun already discussed, countable nouns already discussed, and with some special cases we didn't use the there. All right, when you are when you grown up some, then we will discuss about it. Yes, the first one is I live in, no, India. So what will we use here? I live India only. I live in India only. So we didn't put any article there. That's why we will make here cross. All right. Yeah. The next one is we can't live without food. Simple. No article is needed. That's why we will make a cross there. The camel is a useful animal. We all know U is written now, but which sound is coming? Ya sound is coming. Useful. Yeah. That's why we will use here only. Alright. The Prime Minister. Yes, before the Prime Minister, before the Minister, we will use here the. So, the Prime Minister hoisted the national flag. Yes, before our national flag, we also use the. And the next one is cake baked by mom is delicious, means the cake, the particular cake which is baked by my mom. I'm not talking about all the cake, about the bakeries and all the cake which any person had baked, that is good. No, I'm just talking about the cake which is baked by my mom is delicious. So what will we use here now? We are just relating, we are talking about here a particular cake, so we will use here the. The next is Mount Everest. Yes, before the mountain we use the, so we will use here the. Alright, the Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak in the world. Alright, now moving to the next slide. Yes, Indus. The Indus, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra rivers arise in the Himalayas. Alright, what will we write here? The. Why? Because it's a mountain range and it's a name of rivers. That's why we will use here the. The name bears like honey. We will not use here any article, right? Because they like honey. Alright, we are not talking about any particular honey. Honey is honey. That's why we will not use any, article there. Yes, 9. Wood is used to make furniture. We all know that before uncountable noun, na? Honey is also an uncountable noun. Wood is also an uncountable noun. That's why we will not use any kind of, article there. And here, the wood used to make this furniture is imported. We are talking about here any particular furniture, and that furniture is made of wood that is imported from some place. Na? That's why we had used here the. Please give me sugar, only sugar. And yes, if you are talking about any particular sugar that is kept on the table, then you will use please give me the sugar which is kept on the table. Alright. The next is we spent an hour in the shop, right? The particular shop where I have to go early, where I have to spend my whole day long. That's why we have used here the. The next is Rajasthan. Yes, we will not use any article there because Rajasthan is a proper noun, and it is already told to you that we didn't use any kind of article before, name of places or before proper noun. So Rajasthan is a proper noun, that's why we will not use any article here. Rajasthan is a beautiful state. It is famous for the forts, the particular forts. Have you seen the Amer fort? All right. So what will be right here? The Amer. Would you like to have dosa? Would you like to have dosa? No, I want noodles. Before food, we didn't use, right? Dosa served here is not tasty. Means dosa. Now here it's relating now that dosa which they served here, it's not good, it's not worth to eat, it's not tasty. So what will we use here? The, right? We are talking about the particular dosa that is served in this particular restaurant. All right. The next is question number 15. He is a travel agent. He is expecting. Important na? E sound is coming. An important client today, and now it's relating the client. You all can see now that client is here, client today, and he is going to meet that client. Now it's relating, so we will use here the client. The client is from France. We know that before the proper noun we didn't use articles, right? Yes. Now moving to the next slide. Thank you so much, my dear student, for watching my videos. And yes, you need to answer, ask question in the given comment box. All right. And yes, thank you so much, bacho.